Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to draw this figure. So this figure called the power feed bracket. So it already had its given dimensions, and we just need to follow its measurements. So without further ado, let's crack into it. So first, type the C command, or you can just click here and click this center diameter and click anywhere for its center point, and then type 1.13, enter, and then circle again, then click the same center point, type D for the diameter, and type 2.06, then again from the same center point, type 2.88, enter. After that, type L for the line command, and from the center point here, create a straight line, a horizontal line, type 5.26 for its length, enter. Then moving upward, type 1.62, enter, then press escape. And then after that, let's make a rectangle. So rec, then you can just click anywhere. So for its size, type 3.62, 1.26, enter. Then after that, click the object and type move to move the object, and from the end point here, you can just connect it here. After that, we can delete this line. So type F for the fillet and type M for the multiple. So let's click here, and then for the radius, type 0.1, and then click the second there. After that, type L for the line command, and from the middle point of the rectangle, create a straight line. Sorry. L command, and from this midpoint here to the left, type 0.76, and then just move upward. From here, type 2.26. There, I'm just connected to the middle point, press escape. Then type C for the circle command again. Type this endpoint here and just type 0.2. Do it here. 0.2, and we can delete these lines there. After that, type L command again, and from here to here, so there. So type the L command, and from the intersection here, click, and for its length type 2.62 there, and then just press escape, and then type circle command for the circle, and type 0.75. I know. Circle, then 0. For the diameter, 0. I know. For the diameter, type 1.88. There. After that, circle command again. And from there, from the type 0.75. Circle 0.75. After that, we can delete these lines. So type L and then tan for the tangent line, and from here, no, to the second point, from here to here, type L again, tangent, and then from here to here, just click there, then press escape. After that, we can trim this. I know. After that, L again, and just create a straight line above here, then line, and then from the intersection here, just connect it to the end point of this upper line. And we can delete this line. So let's trim. Let's trim the circle. Let's delete this first. After that, type L for the line command again, and from the middle point here or the center, create a straight line here. So let's say 2 there. And then from left, type 0.28, and then from right, type 0.56. Then just create a straight line here. Let's say 0.75. Let's create a box. There. Then let's trim these lines. And then line, then from the end point here, type 0.47, and to the other side type 0.94. Then just create a straight line. Connecting here. Then let's create this. After that, let's trim So there you go. And then type L again for the line command, and from the center point here again. So create a straight line here. Type 1.70. And from upwards, type 0.56. And downwards 1.12. And then let's create a straight line. Let's trim again. Line again and create a straight line here. Trim. So there you go. That's great. Where's a line here? So type L again, and from the intersection here, create a straight line. There. So and then type F for the fillet. And R for the radius, type 0.94. So let's click this line here to here. There. So let's just connect. After that, we can delete this line. So there you go. We have our So there you go. So line again from the center point here. Let's say 2.9. So tab 80 degrees. So there you go. So now let's create its offset. So type O, offset, and select through. From here, type 0.28, and from here 0.28. So after that, let's create its dimension. So click here and now type L and select the color red. And from here, type 1. Say 1. L. From here, say here. .9251. Then from here, 0.28 of 13. And then line again. And from here, 0.28 of 167. After that, select line again and select this. So from here, by layer. So from here, type 0.88. Again, and here 0.88. It's just 99. Hello. Then do the same thing on the other side. So after that, let's delete this. Let's delete these lines. No, I deleted the line. Let's have its dimensions. So So for our next figure, just type L, and then from the point here, type 7, then press escape, then create a straight line here, and another straight line here. After that, After that, line command again, and from here let's connect it here from the midpoint, and then going to the right, type 1.88, then bring it downwards, trim, just connect it here, and then from the end point here, type 0.56 and bring it downwards, then press escape. After that, line again, and from here type 0.38 and bring it downwards there, and we can delete this line. After that, line, and from the point here type 0.2956 and going to the right, type 0.62, then bring it downwards. After that, line again, and from the end point here, connect it here to the end, and then type 0.70 and bring it downwards. After that, we can delete this line, trim, and then trim again. Let's trim this. So create a line command again, and from here type 1.30, just bring it downwards, there, and we can delete this straight line here. After that, type O for the offset and select through, and then select this line, type 0.56, then enter. And then after that, create line command again and create a straight line here, and from the midpoint here, there, and then create a slant line from here, connect it here, then no. Let's first create a line here. From here, create a straight line, and line command again. From here, connect it here. So there you go. So let's trim. Let's trim this part here, here, and here. Let's trim this first. Then we can delete this line. After that, create a line command again and click here, and from here type 5.06 for our length and bring it down. So delete this line and line command there, and just trim. Let's trim. let's trim first. Then let's create an offset. Select through again and select this object, and we can just there. Then select this, type move, select this endpoint and just connect it here, and we can delete this line. After that, create a straight line from here, here, trim, and we can delete this. After that, let's create a fillet. So type M, and then for the radius type 0.1. So this line here to here, here to here, then line command again. Let's just connect this. Let's create a line here, then let's trim. Then fillet again, multiple, and for the radius 0.1, here to here. No. Here to here. And then connect it with the line. Let's lengthen this, so this, then create its fillet. Here to here, and then line, so now we have our fillet. Let's create a small circle, so line, and from the midpoint here type C for the circle command, and from the intersection here type 0.2 for the radius. Then let's delete this line and create a line here from here. Let's trim. After that, line command, and from here type 1.79. Type 1.79 there. So let's create a line here first. And from here to the center point of the lower circle, let's type 3.38. Straight line here. Then line command again from the end line here. Type 1.88, and then from the left type 1.12, then bring it upwards. And then line command again, and we can create a line here. So let's bring it downwards, and from here type 4.70, then bring it upwards, and then type C for the circle command, and from the intersection here type, for the diameter type 1.1, then circle command again, and for the radius type 0.1875. So there, we can now delete these lines. Let's delete these lines. So there. Then line command again, and from the center point here, click here, then type 0.80, then bring it downwards. No, line it here and connect it here. After that, line command again, and from here type 0.80, then let's connect it there. So let's connect a line here. Here type 2.2525 there. Then escape. Then line, just create a straight line. Let's trim this first. Let's trim there, and we can lengthen this or stretch this line. Then press escape. Then create a line here. No, from the middle point upwards. Let's create a straight line. From the middle point, create a straight line. let's delete this. Type C for the circle command and click the intersection here. For the radius, type 0.1875 there, and here the diameter is 1.12, and for the small circle, for the radius 0.1875. Then line, create a straight line here. Then let's trim. Then let's delete this line. And then line command, and from the end point here, just connect it here. And then line command again, and from this upper part, create a straight line. Let's trim. And then offset. Select through. Select this line. Fillet I mean. Then multiply for the radius 0.1 again. And click the line here, connect it here. Line here. And let's just connect the lines. Let's create a line here, small line. There, then let's trim. Then fillet again. For the radius, type 0. So let's select this object. There. Then let's trim this. Fillet and this to this. After that, let's create a slant line here, connected here, and then select arc and choose the start and radius. So from the end point here to the middle point, click, and going upwards, type 1.76 for the radius. So there. Then let's delete this, and then arc again, and from this endpoint to this endpoint, this endpoint to this endpoint, so type 1.50 for its radius. There, and we can just lengthen this line connected here. So then let's trim this line here, and we have our second figure. Then let's have its dimensions. Or the second. And now we are done with the second figure. Thank you and goodbye.